We're building a house out of hempcrete, which is a mix of hemp shiv and lime binder, and it's easy enough that kids can do it. But it's also very time consuming and stressful if Mother Nature doesn't cooperate.
This is no bueno for the hemp.
We are starting on the second layer of the hemp around the whole house today. And it's kind of days like this where I'm like, why didn't I just build a single story home? Like, why did I have to build a 2-story home with like vaulted ceilings? I don't know. We have children helping today, so we'll see how it goes.
I'm ready. Now I can probably say that I helped make a house. And it's not just any house, it's Jackie's house. Yeah. Well,
This is Miss Chloe.
hi.
What do you think about hempcrete?
I don't know.
It's okay?
Yeah.
It's kind of neat though that this will be where you'll be sleeping, right? So
Yeah.
packing the walls in her own bedroom. See, I'll inspect, make sure you're doing a good job there. Oh yeah. Good packing, good packing. Already a pro packer and it's only been an hour.
Hey.
Hey, here's my second helper. Ooh, you're covered in lime. You should get that off your face. And your dad there.
She's good. We gotta put her on the payroll. Okay, this is our second to last mix. We got
Okay.
one more after this.
Pretty sure Dad told us to pay us $5 now.
I think you did too.
Does that mean we get $10?
Yeah, I think so.
Woo-hoo. I'm actually getting a real job.
This is no bueno for the hemp. I feel like this hemp build is testing me. Like, come on, Mother Nature. Give us some better weather to hemp in. I went down to -3, -5 with the wind chill, and I put all these little cups of water around to see if the hemp actually froze. And it didn't, which makes me really happy. I had like all these little heaters going, 2 big construction heaters. My energy bill is like through the roof right now because it's like running. These guys are like running 2 dryers like full time. I just gotta say, my house right now would make the best haunted house. Like all of these tarps and the wind, it's all blowing. It's super creepy. That could be a ghost. I mean, there's craziness in here. This is our 11th day of packing hemp. We're just about to start our 11th day. And you know, we're getting faster, we're getting better with it every time. We have had a lot of delays because of the weather, so we've stopped when it's been below freezing because it's not good for the hemp. But yeah, we're like done the second layer in the office, second layer in the spare bedroom, and we're pretty much today gonna finish the second layer around the kitchen and the kind of main living space here. Some of the more like slower picky stuff is like up and behind the windows here because there's like 2 inches behind the window bucks that we have to like get in and under. And then to put a form on here is harder because we like to put like vertical forms up so we can pack in to get a nice wall here. And then around the electrical stuff, so like here in the kitchen we had like some plumbing here and other electrical running in. So, and then just with like all, you know, getting your hand in and around has been a little tricky. This corner was a little tricky. So Carpenter Kev, how are we doing these tricky windows?
Wow. There's only one way to do it. You just gotta get dirty. No, I'm just joking.
Just gotta get dirty and do it.
So basically we're packing the fronts here.
Okay, so like,
So we packed the back. You see how we packed the back? And there's actually a void
back
there.
here.
Yeah.
underneath the window back here, so you have to go up and out under.
Yeah, so we packed all that. We had all of this conduit. We unscrewed it and we had it out of the way. And now we're just putting the fronts on like this. We're screwing them to here and screwing them to there. And then packing it sideways. Mm-hmm. And yeah, that's what we did. If you look at this one here. So I'll just put this.
So we just put another one on there, and then I got to pack in from this side on this form yet. And then we just keep adding another form until we get to the edge, and that's how you pack.
Yeah, and if you want to see the finished product over in that window.
So after we take off our tiny little pieces of forms, it'll look like this. That's the plan anyways. There's another one there then. So that's our goal today, is to do all the kitchen windows. We did the 2 windows in the bedroom and the office already. Finish that, and then we got to do this part in here. I think that's a pretty good goal for today, because this stuff takes a long time, the packing of doing like in here. These are like super fast, but those not so much. Slowly but surely, just one mix at a time. One mix at a time.
Oh yeah! Getting her done.
Getting her done. Day 11 is done. We did all behind the windows, which was very tricky and very time consuming. So we didn't pack as much like cubic feet wise today, even though there was 4 people, well, for like half day, 4 people and then 3 people. But just because these guys do take a lot to like get in underneath there. This is the new mixer. It's been working pretty good. I do have another mixer coming. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for sending me another mixer. This was mixer number 1. No good. This is mixer number 2. Better, but not the best. Now, over here, mixer number 3. They're paddle mixers. It should mix it up. In theory, it's supposed to be better for hemp, because we do a lot of cleaning out of that other one. Like, it's can't handle a full load, and all the hemp gets stuck to the side, so even after you dump it out, you have to scrape it. Anyway, hopefully this one will make it go just a little more smoother.
Here. Maybe put that plywood back a little bit towards me.
It's the morning of day 12 of packing hemp. I didn't actually film much of day 11 at all. It is a little hard to have like stuff set up when there's so many people in the room and comings and goings and whatnot. Everything is covered in lime. I shouldn't even be wearing my new jacket right now because it just gets covered. We're both just covered in lime all the time. But it is going pretty good. Like, I think it's been a slow process, growing pains, getting into systems. My parents did buy me a new mixer. We set it up, but then we realized it needed a 20 amp plug. Yeah, so I'm excited to get that one going and see how it goes. For the hemp bales, we pretty much use all of the hemp bales that were stacked in the sunroom here, and we're now onto the ones in the garage. This is the mixer graveyard over here. This one that had the wheelbarrow style dump was just terrible to use. This one, not too bad, but still you had to scrape in, and that was the worst part. Like, mixing is annoying because you get covered in lime dust, which is not exactly the safest. So then you've got your glasses and your respirator on, and it's like sweaty and uncomfortable. And then you also have to like put your hand in and scrape it all out, which gets you then like really dirty. This is the new mixer here, which is a pan style mixer. Here's to hoping this increases our productivity. We're ready.
So let's try.
Do you want a mask though? Maybe?
Yeah, I'll get a mask. Let's try the wet first.
Oh, is that, it's coming out the bottom.
Okay, well that's not gonna work then.
What the heck?
Okay, well let's
Okay,
do the dry first then. We can't do the wet first.
We can't do the wet first. Huh.
Here we go. Okay, lesson number 1.
Hey, we gotta fill up a new bucket of water now too. Lesson number 1, don't put water in.
You can't do the wet first. Do the hemp first. Do dry mix.
We probably could have done the lime and added slow, like a little bit of water.
Just dump it in. After you just keep going with the other mixer. Then 10 minutes.
So the new mixer did not work out for us today. We might try, we gotta watch some videos tonight and try some different techniques because apparently in Hempcrete forums, that's the style you need to make it faster. But we were very productive today. We did the whole 3rd layer in the spare room and in the office. And yeah, it's been good. Kevin put in the shower niche here. So we had to pack around that because this beautiful hemp wall will be covered actually by my shower. We've had a few things like this we took off, and obviously we didn't pack it as well underneath the electrical box. We will just patch it. Every day, covered in lime, my poor hair. Trying to keep it out, but it happens. It's a messy job, hemp packing. Natural building, I tell ya. Is it worth it? Yes, I think so. I still think so. I love doing this, actually. It feels good when you're finished, and I know it's going to be a safe, toxic-free, natural home, carbon sequestering. Yeah. I don't know if I've sold everybody on it who's all the hired help, and the volunteers. Have I sold you on it, Kevin? Are you a natural building enthusiast?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I don't think that's a true yep. Would you?
Cool.
Are you gonna build your second home out of hemp?
No.
See, didn't even hesitate. Didn't even hesitate. Okay.
More of a custom thing.
Yeah.
I would say.
Custom home. I'm so tired. Kevin said he's gonna treat me to pizza tonight.